All right, welcome to the channel. I'm Aaron Hunzinger. Hopefully I can keep you guys entertained. I go by AHdidit on social media as well as HHR_SS. Alright, well, might as well get into it before it gets any later. I'm gonna get cracking on swapping out the SoCal Garage steering wheel. So you can see it is carbon fiber wheel with the red tape, perforated leather with the carbon fiber inserts. It's an awesome steering wheel. Alright, so we're in the car and I've got the steering wheel here. I've yet to take the airbag out of the stock steering wheel, so I figured I'd go ahead and show you. It's going to be the same for an HHR, a Cobalt, a Corvette, a G6, G5, basically all the GM steering wheels that look like that. So on the side of the steering wheel, you're going to have a hole on both sides, right here and right there. So you take a small flat blade screwdriver, you go into the hole. You might need to push it in a little bit, but you can see there's this pin right here that goes up. This pin here, it's on a spring, and that goes all the way up both sides. There's one on both sides. So anyways, you take your screwdriver so that your blade is flat up and down, and you basically go almost straight in and you push that in, and you can see how it's pushing that spring over. So you got to do that on both sides. It's probably a good idea to disconnect your battery. Okay, you want to go, hey, whoa, hey, what's up everybody? So I'm actually, thanks for stopping in. I'm actually recording a YouTube video right now, so I figured I'd throw my camera up as well and go live. So if you're not tapping, you're napping. If you're not going to participate, you can vacate. If you want to see where this edited video is going to be, click on my profile, jump to my YouTube channel, and like and subscribe. So, back to the video. Anyways, so you get your flat blade screwdriver in there, disconnect your battery, right? Disconnect your battery. Again, you're taking out your airbag. You know, first your screwdriver in there. See, you kind of saw how it like popped out a little bit. Hold that side out. So on the back of the airbag, you got these two little clips on the back. You have to pull the, don't break these clips either because they're hard to, I guess they're hard to come by. Unless you can just go to the junkyard and pull them out yourself. hatch airbag off. Now I need to take off my controls. This is a 13/16. The entire car is metric. And then you get the steering wheel. It's a 13/16. You leave the nut on so when it comes off you don't smack yourself in the face with the steering wheel, because you're going to want to wiggle back and forth and pull at the same time. Maybe give it a whack or two. Come on, you son of a bitch. I'm breaking into a sweat. My God. Shit, balls on fire. This motherfucker does not want to come out. We're gonna get you out of there, you son of a bitch. We are going to get you out of there. I've taken these things off so many times. There we go. There she is. Shit, I was about to fucking go into the garage and look for a tool. Man, when you feel like giving up, try one more time. I appreciate you guys hanging out and watching me do this, whether you're watching me live right now or you're watching the video on YouTube. I appreciate it. I really do. Clock spring back in there. Alright, so I got the wheel installed, I got the controls in. These are the stock Torx bolts from the original steering wheel. I went back into this one. Got it set back up. I was able to get it all back in there, thankfully, without the clock spring coming out, because obviously nobody ever wants their clock spring to come out. Got that all lined back up in there, got my nut on, and I'm about to tighten that up. Alright, so while I got the bag out here, I want to show you these pins. So the pins there that you move with the screwdriver inside, the pins going up and down here. those pins clip onto here, inside here. Right, so the pin goes in, and this large pin goes in past that movable pin, and that pin locks into here. Okay, so locks into that groove right there, and that's what keeps the airbag into the steering wheel. So there you go. All right, so now that we have the pink and the white clips pushed back into the back of the airbag, you want to make sure the 2 red wires are out of the way of the holes, and that the yellow wires are going down. You don't want them coming up and over. You want the yellow wires going down. Get your pins lined up. There she is. Oh, that's kind of tight in there. Anyways, there it is. Steering wheel is installed. Got the OTTP short shifter installed. Got my center console installed in here. So the other thing that I was thinking, so last winter, before I started all the body work on the Hurricane V2, I spent all winter redoing all of the interior trim for what inevitably is going to be going in that car. It's not going to be going in that car anytime soon. I did real carbon fiber overlays over everything. The waterfall, the RPD tray, the steering, the gauge cluster cover, the lower kick panel, the glove box. What else did I do? I did a couple other, I did carbon fiber door panels. I don't know about putting the carbon fiber door panels on and all of that, but there's fucking get it, man. That car sounded like shit. That's not structural, my guy. What are we talking about? Are we talking about the carbon fiber shit? Right. Yes, I know. Thank you. But it looks really cool. It looks really cool. Yes, I know it's not structural. It's carbon fiber plastic trim. No shit. But it looks really cool. And I did it all myself. So, I mean, or I just leave the red. You know, it's one less thing I have to do. It kind of matches the shift boot that I did. But yeah, the plan is to now get this thing fired up. I need to adjust my headlights because I put new bulbs in. I need to adjust the headlights, fire this thing back up, and get it over to Rentz's shop and drop it off so they can do an alignment in the morning. So I'm gonna end this video here for the YouTube. I appreciate you guys watching. I would appreciate if you liked, shared, subscribed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Don't do anything I wouldn't do twice.